Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today we are preparing stuffed green chilies. The recipe is really simple and easy, so let's get started with the ingredients. Note, all ingredients measured using measuring spoons are leveled and not heaped. Preparation: wash and dry the green chilies. Next, slit the green chilies, remove the seeds and set aside. Method: mix all the ingredients together except the green chilies. At this stage, taste and adjust the salt as required. Add a bit of chili powder if you know that the chilies you're using are not too spicy. Stuff the mixture into the green chilies. Adjust the amount of mixture stuffed into the green chilies according to your liking. Heat oil in a frying pan, then lower the heat and gently drop in the green chilies. Shallow fry until the chilies get blisters and change color. Remove from the oil and drain on a kitchen towel. Sprinkle with a pinch of salt and chaat masala. You can serve either hot or cold. Enjoy! If you liked this simple and easy recipe, be sure to like, share and subscribe to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy.